Hello students, today we are going to study the notable scholars in the medieval historical period. Let's see, the contribution of many scholars are important in the development of the historiography. Let us have a look at the contribution of the few notable scholars. Actually, many notable scholars are there give their own contribution in the study of historiography or development of historiography. But we will see the contribution of few great and brilliant notable scholars in this video. We'll see. First is René Descartes. He was born in 1596. René Descartes was the foremost among scholars who insisted the verifying the reliability of the historical document by critically examining them. Among the rules given by him in his book Discourse on the Method, the following is supposed to have a great impact on the scientific method research. Never accept anything for true till all grounds doubt has excluded. He says, if you getting any evidence about the history, you have to examining this evidence by critically. उसको तब तक मत छोड़ो जब तक आप your doubt is not cleared. Never accept anything for true. किसी चीज को आप true ऐसे accept मत करो कि ये सच है जब तक till your doubt is not clarifying. Examining it again and again, examining it critically till your doubt is not clear. Never to accept anything for true till all grounds of doubts are excluded. So second notable scholar is Voltaire. He was born in 1694. Voltaire's original name is Francisco Marie Aurec. He was French thinker. He opined that along with object truth and chronology of historical event, considering social tradition, trade, economy, agriculture, etc., was also equally important in historiography. It gave rise to thought that understanding all aspects of human life is important for history writing. Thus, it is said that Voltaire was a founder of modern historiography. Voltaire says every human in the ancient people or the modern people or the medieval people is important in the history. You have to consider, you have to chronologize that every historical movement it is considering social tradition, trade, economy, agriculture, etc. was also important, equally important in historiography. It gave a rise to thought that understanding all aspects of human life is important for history writing. All aspects, like the agriculture of human life, the social life of human life, the traditional life of human life, everything is important in the human, in this historiography. So, Voltaire was the founder of modern historiography. Next is George William Friedrich Hegel. Was born in 1770s. Hegel was a German philosopher who insisted that the historical reality should be presented in a logical manner. To him, the timeline of historical event was indicative of progress. He also thought that the presentation of history is bound to change over time as a new evidence would come forth. With Hegel's philosophy, many scholars were convinced that historical methods were not lesser quality through they different from scientific method. The collection of his lecture and articles is published in a book entitled Encyclopedia of Philosophical Studies. His book Reason in History is well known. So it is one of the great historians who has studied the various roles of historiography. So the George William Friedrich Hegel also considered that if you want to study the history, you have to examine everything of the historical event or historical document. You don't excuse, you don't get you don't excuse any event, और आप किसी चीज को सच मत मानो जब तक आपको एविडेंस नहीं मिल जाता. You don't believe that evidence till you are